Hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Emily. I live in the great state of Alaska with my husband, 3 kids, and 3 dogs. We love it here, and we recently made a purchase that is going to elevate our experience in this beautiful state. We just purchased this stealth enclosed trailer, and we are converting this into a camper. We love exploring Alaska. We love fishing, camping, hunting, hiking, everything outdoorsy. So this is really going to make it a lot easier for us to get out and do things no matter the weather. Really excited to get started on building this out into something that we can stay in, but we could also bring along our toys, our quad or our 6-wheeler on whatever adventure we're going on. So this is a stealth enclosed trailer. It is 14 feet long. There's nothing inside it right now. We're not sold on our plans for how we're gonna build it out inside just yet. We've thought about a pulley method for beds, or maybe an easy track system, or a fold down situation. Really not sure yet. Would love to hear some feedback from you in the comments if you have an idea that you think would work really well for this. But we can build it however we want, so that's kind of the cool thing about it. Eric, my husband, actually slept in here on the blowout mattress with the dogs one night just to get a feel for it, with nothing inside, and that helped a ton. He knows that we need a comfy place for the dogs. We also need to really stabilize it as well as we can because it was wobbly. So we've purchased a lot of different items that are going to help stabilize it and make it an actual camper. We're going to take you along for the whole build while we figure out stabilizing it and adding things on the outside or for the towing experience, and then everything on the inside from the flooring to insulation to the beds. You'll see it all here. So if you're interested, please stick around and I hope you enjoy. Here she is, mostly empty. Today we're going to start on sanding the floors and putting primer down. We got just a basic primer on sale at Lowe's, and then we'll do epoxy flooring over the top of that.
crack right here, this is what we're trying to get rid of. When the epoxy lays on top, we want it to be completely flat. So the sander's going over this and just fine tuning and smoothing out this edge so that it's seamless. And a belt sander is definitely the way to go.
And this is what it looks like after sanding. That's going to do it for today. We finished the primer. We're going to let it dry for a few days, and then we'll come back in with the epoxy garage floor kit, and it's going to look great. I'm really excited to see how it turns out. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.